This is Varsha's Education Academy. In this session, we are going to see the subject of signal processing. Right? In this signal processing subject, we are covering Laplace transform. Already we have solved first example, that is based on exponential signal. We have found out Laplace transform and its region of convergence. Right? Now we will see some different kind of exponential signals and its region of convergence. Right? Now we will see the solution. First, let us see the second example. Find the Laplace transform of e power minus at u of minus t and its region of convergence. Right? First, we will draw the graph. T, this one is e power minus at. See, e power minus at in the sense this is a exponentially decreasing signal. Exponentially decreasing signal. Right? Then u of minus t. So it will be in this direction. U of minus t. So minus t u. U value was step signal, the value of the amplitude of 1, right? But it is in the negative direction, negative x-axis, right? Negative values of time. Then by adding these two signals, by multiplying these two signals, we are getting e power minus at u of minus t, right? E power minus at u of minus t. This is our final signal. After multiplying these two signals, we are getting this value, right? See here, this signal is the multiplied component of these two signal, and it is whether it is signal is a right-sided signal or left-sided signal, we have to find it first. See, this is a left-sided signal. So it is a left-sided signal. Now we will solve the problem. The x of t is given e power minus at u of minus t. E power minus at u of minus t. Now already we know the value of x of s for the exponential signal with respect to the step signal. So x of s is equal to, for this u of minus t, I can take one negative sign, divided by, so e power in the sense, what will happen? See, u of minus t will give you the value of minus 1 by s. For this e power minus at, I can write this s as s plus a. Right? Have you all understood? See, listen carefully. These are all time improving points. Right? If you remember these points, this will be helpful for you in solving the problems, this kind of problems in your competitive exams. So please listen this point carefully. It will be very, very useful for solving the problems in your exam time. See, u of minus t in the sense, minus will come. So negative minus 1 by s. For this minus at, I just substituted it as s plus a. Right? So this is the Laplace transform of the given function in time domain. Right? Now we will find the pole for this function. So pole. How we can find the pole? By equalizing the denominator to 0. So s plus a is equal to 0, s is equal to minus a. S is equal to minus a. Now we will draw the real imaginary axis. Sigma j omega plot, sigma j omega. Now we are having our pole at s is equal to minus a. S is equal to minus a. This is our pole. Now I am going to draw one parallel line to the imaginary axis. Right? See, the signal is a left-sided signal. So its region of convergence will be in the left side of this pole. So region of convergence is in the left side of the pole. This is the region of convergence. Right? This is the region of convergence which is in the left side of this pole. So our region of convergence is equal to region of convergence is real part of S which is less than minus A, which is less than minus A. See here I have consolidated all four exponential signals. See e power at u of t. So u of t is a right sided signal, right? So 1 by s minus A. Real part of S, that is region of convergence, is real part of S that is greater than A. Then e power at u of minus t. So it is a left sided signal. So minus 1 by s minus A. So our region of convergence will be real part of S that is less than A. E power minus at u of t. So it is a right sided signal 1 by s plus A. Right sided signal left sided signal கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் தான். u of t, u of minus t. u of t இருந்தா அது right sided signal, u of minus t இருந்தா left sided signal. So it will be less than A. u of minus t, that is left sided signal இருந்தா here lesser than symbol will come. So less than A or less than minus A. If it is e power minus at, it will be minus A. Right? Okay, now we will see the third example. Find the Laplace transform and region of convergence of e power minus t u of t plus e power minus 2t u of t. If x of t is equal to e power minus t u of t, then x of s will be, see here, x of s is equal to 1 by s plus 1. If x of t is equal to e power minus 2t u of t, then x of s will be 1 by s plus 2. Now we have to add these two values, right? This is our final x of s. X of s is equal to 1 by s plus 1 plus 1 by s plus 2. Now we are going to draw the region of convergence plot. Sigma j omega axis. The pole for this function is s is equal to minus 1. The pole for this function is s is equal to minus 2. Right? So first pole is at s is equal to minus 1. Second pole is at s is equal to minus 2. Now we will draw the parallel lines to the imaginary axis. Right? See, both the signals are u of plus t. u of plus t. So these two signals are right sided signals. So right sided signal in the sense region of convergence will be right side of this poles. So for s is equal to minus 1, the region of convergence will be in this direction. For s is equal to minus 2, the region of convergence will be this part. Right? See, so the common part is this area. This is the common area, right? Common region of convergence. So our answer will be region of convergence, that is real part of S, that is greater than minus 1. Real part of S that is greater than minus 1. This is the region of convergence for the summation of two exponential signals. Right? Now we will see one more example in this session. Find the Laplace transform and region of convergence of e power minus 3t u of t e power minus 3t by 3 u of minus t. Right? Now we will find the x of s. So x of s for this point, this function is, this is right sided signal, right? So 1 by s plus 3. The x of s for this function is minus 1 by, why I have substituted minus sign over here, u of minus t. This is a left sided signal, right? So minus 1 by s plus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by s plus 1 by 3. Now we are going to find the poles for these two functions. So s is equal to minus 3 is the pole over here. S is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the pole over here. Now we are going to plot the sigma j omega axis to find the region of convergence. Sigma j omega axis, right? Okay, now we are going to plot these two plots. This one is minus 1 by 3. This pole is minus 3, right? I have plotted two poles and I am going to draw the two imaginary lines that are parallel to these two poles. Parallel to the, going to draw the two lines which are parallel to our imaginary line, right? Okay. Now we are going to find the region of convergence. See whether this point, this pole, this signal is, see here, whether this signal is a right sided signal or left sided signal. See, it is u of plus t. So it is a right sided signal. See here, it is a u of minus t. It is a left sided signal, right? Okay. Now we will plot upon this. See, s is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the, there we have to plot the region of convergence in the left side, right? So this is the region of convergence for this. S is equal to minus 1 by 3. Right? See here, for s is equal to minus 3, the region of convergence is a right side to this pole, right side of this pole. So what is the common area? This part is the common area for this signal. So region of convergence in this area. So region of convergence for the combined signal is said to be real part of S. Let us see here, listen carefully. Minus 3. See, this is our final region of convergence. Minus 3 greater arkanum, minus 1 by 3 lesser than arkanum. This is the common area of region of convergence for the combined signal. So this is the region of convergence for the combined signal given over the question, right? If you are having doubts, do mention it in the comment box. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.